everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video. I think I'll call this one useless information. Nah, I hope somebody can get some use out of this video. Anyway, this is to help if you need to drill a hole through a dowel. If you need to drill a hole through a dowel, say this way, for whatever reason, like I need to today, I'm going to show you how I do that. I use a scrap piece of wood, typically a 2x4, because this is what you're going to use to put your clamp on your drill press. Or I'm going to use a drill press for this anyway. Basically, I'll adjust my blade. You can probably do this with a hand saw, but I have a table saw, so I'm going to use that. I do try to promote safety, so I have on my Goonie Goo Goos. There's safety glasses and a couple of homemade push sticks. Okay, so you get your blade so it doesn't, about halfway. You don't want it to go past halfway. Then take and adjust your blade. I like about 40 degrees. So I'll adjust that down to about 40 degrees. Okay, and then adjust your fence so that your material is about centered for your first cut. Obviously lock down your fence. Now it's going to get a little noisy. We're going to turn the saw on and we are going to make this cut. Sorry, I'll wait till the saw stops. Anyway, that's your first cut. So that went through this direction. So what you're going to do is turn your work around. And you're going to move your fence just a little closer, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch to the blade. Turn the saw back on to make your second cut. And that's going to leave you with that shape. And as you can see, the dowel fits in there pretty good. You can make your cuts wider so the dowel sits deeper into your base if that's what you want to do. I found that it works pretty well this way. I'm going to clamp this into my drill press, and when I'm ready to drill, just a little bit of pressure with your left thumb, spin down your chuck with your other hand, and you'll see this doesn't move. This will stay put, and you'll be able to drill your holes nice and straight all the way across. You know, as long as you don't turn this between holes, that is. So again, I just thought I'd make this video and thought maybe it could help somebody out. The distance that I moved that will also accommodate smaller dowels too. This is a 3/8, this is a 1/2, but they'll both work equally well in that. So, just wanted to share that. I know it's something that I figured out a while ago, and I always did other crazy things, clamping a dowel between two pieces of wood like this to drill my holes, and it was a pain in the neck, but you make one of these, you can use it quite a few times before you have too many holes in it and it starts to get loose. But it is made out of scrap, so you can make these all day long. But anyway, that's all I've got for this video. Just wanted to share. And any questions, complaints, problems, hit me up and I'll see if I can help you out. Have a great day.